Hello everyone, I'm Kenny and I'm excited to introduce Telinga, our cutting edge customer feedback and notification service system. Telinga integrates Django, Twilio, Nylas and Google's Gemini AI to revolutionize customer support. So this demo will make use of the API, but if you wish, you could actually do or manage your own onboarding and registration by the front end, which is publicly available. You could try or check within the documentation. So first things first, I would register my business, Nylas, and then generate an API key using the same credentials from doing registration. I've got an API key. Now I go back to onboard my customers. Um, set this to my API key. At onboarding, we require three keys: a CSV file, a message key, and as well as the delivery type. A CSV file is the information containing your customer as a template, basically. This is a sample. Phone number and or an email is required for each of the customers. When a phone number is provided, we use Twilio to manage the notification. When an email is provided, we use Nylas to manage the notification. And then a message format is basically telling how or the content of the message that should go out to the customer. So here we have hello, first name, last name. Basically, these are placeholders that will then be changed to the appropriate values uploaded within your CSV. Thank you for purchasing, blah blah blah, the likes, and then we do the delivery. Delivery could be now or scheduled. Now, if the delivery key is missing, we would assume the message should go out immediately. And when it is set, we'll send out that email or message at the scheduled time. So I hit send, it uploads and tells me the customer uploaded successfully. We can confirm this by visiting our email. Here it is. It says a product review request. Now, I would like to highlight that this bit is managed directly by Gemini. Here we have generating email subject. So we had called Gemini's endpoints to help us with the generation of an email subject. Hello, Kenena Onwaba. Remember, these are the names passed in the template, and then this is the product. So beyond all of this, we have other features which are highlighted. Like I mentioned, for want of time, we can't go over all of it. So right after that, you can actually reply to that email. If a customer replies to the email with their feedback, so one could say, "Oh, I love the product. I hate the product." Whatever it is, comes back. We have Gemini also do sentiment analysis on that particular feedback that comes back, letting us know if it's a positive or a negative. And if it's a negative, we also have a prompt that follows subsequently. Now, if it is negative, we issue what we call we schedule rather an event with the customers, a meeting basically using Nyla scheduling endpoints to manage that. So these are all of the features listed within the README. Please take our time to review, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank you. Cheers.